Here's a truth for you. The self-care level that you have on yourself is a direct reflection of how you perceive yourself. What does that mean? That if you perceive yourself as a high-value, super attractive man, you're going to take care of that vessel. You're going to take care of that temple with your daily grooming routines. This is why the most attractive men in the world do these 6 steps in their grooming routine every single day. Let's hop into this. Number 1, they're constantly maintained. Beard, hair, eyebrows. These are non-negotiables, constantly trimmed to keep up an appearance. This is crucial. Most dudes let themselves go. They won't visit the barbershop for 3, 4, 5 weeks, letting themselves just bush out, and you're just really hiding your goods. You're hiding the handsomeness. This is why I make it a habit. Every 2 weeks, I'm at the barbershop, and my barber's blessing me up to make sure I'm on point. Matter of fact, my trim up's coming up right now, which rolls on to number 2, hydrate skin. There is nothing worse than wrinkly, dry, textured skin. If that thing is all ashy, it has cracks all over it, obviously you're gonna look less attractive than you potentially would. See, you want that thing dewy. It's almost like you got a filter on that thing. And the best way to maintain that hydrated face, obviously, is to use a moisturizer. This is non-negotiable. Your skin needs that hydration, and when you don't have it, what ends up happening is that it'll start overproducing oil to try to overcompensate for the dry skin. That's when it leads you to oily skin. And then that oily skin clogs up your pores, and then those clogged up pores turn into acne, and it's just a spiraling mess all the way down. Boys, save yourself the trouble. Hydrate every morning right before you step out. Number 3, always have your hair styled. It is insane to me how some men will literally just roll out of bed, straight up bedhead, and you can tell. They have a whole cowlick, their hair standing up. You know that man did not shower that morning. That is insane, especially if you're meeting new people. And here's the thing, you never know when you're gonna run into that girl you think, damn, that girl's hot. You think she's gonna pay attention to you when you look bummy, you look crusty, like you just woke up, you got caca in your eye? Obviously not, bro, you probably smell bad. Don't skip that shower and always style your hair. This is non-negotiable. Every morning, find a product that works for you. See, for me, I like to make my things efficient. I have naturally wavy and curly hair. I don't want to spend 20 minutes in the bathroom styling my hair. So what did I do? I created a curling cream with our grooming company called Hygiene that's specifically designed for my hair type. Why? Because there's nobody else doing it. There was no other influencer or celebrity making products for dudes with curly or wavy hair. And more so, there were basically no companies that I could find. Most of the curling creams you could find were designed for women, and they were women brands. So I explored and started designing our own curling cream about 8 months ago that we just launched about a month ago. And I'm telling you, it's a hit. If you got curly or wavy hair and you've been looking for that right product, where in the mornings you just get one pump, you put it through your hair, you scrunch it up a bit. If you have curly hair, you don't have to do much. It'll take you about 30 seconds. Then you step out the shower, that's it. You let it air dry, and because the hair is going to stay moisturized all day, it won't get frizzy. It won't start looking crazy, and it'll maintain those nice curls and waves all day long. If you guys want to check out that curling cream and see just how amazing it is for dudes, I'm going to have it linked down below. Number 4, attractive men are hygienic in areas you can't see. Again, you got to stay prepared. You always got to stay on point. You just never know. You never know when the right one's going to come across. And see, staying prepared in those areas you can't see, like your body, your armpits, and especially in that groin and ass region, that's attractive. You're always well groomed and cleaned up, but on top of it being attractive, it's also hygienic. Think about it. Your groin area, your ass area, and your armpits, these are the most problematic areas where most of the BO comes from. When you maintain that area by trimming it down and use the appropriate products like ball deodorant or regular deodorant, you're always gonna stay fresh and smelling great down there. So you'll look good and smell good. Come on, bro, that's like a win-win. Number 5, you always trim your nails. I promise you this, a woman will always look at your hands. If your fingernails are grown out, if they got dirt inside those fingernails, you can pretty much say bye-bye to that second date. Ain't no way that girl's gonna let you caress her face and even worse, touch other body parts in her body. You ain't getting to second, third, you ain't getting to no bases. You're gonna strike out on that first date. And it's so easy. Boys, I'm not telling you to get a manicure. All I'm telling you is keep your nails trimmed down. Finally, number 6, wear a fragrance. Again, non-negotiable. Every day, before you step out, grab the appropriate fragrance for the weather, for the occasion, for what you'll be doing that day, and I promise you, your mood and self-perception will go out the roof. On top of you smelling more pleasant, which is going to make people want to be around you, you yourself will feel better about yourself. And that confidence, it's invaluable. That confidence is what makes you attractive, bro. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our curling cream from Grooming. It'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.